My name is Joseph Masika Mutunga, the managing partner of Mutunga Masika and Associates, Certified Public Accountants. At Sandbox, MMA, as we like to call ourselves, is part of what is called the capital engine. And at Sandbox specifically, we support our clients when it comes to audits of any kind, be they statutory audits, be they project audits, be they investigative audits or forensic audits, be they special purpose audits, or any other kind of system or substantive audits you can think of, as long as it's monetary and financial in nature. So as far as audits are concerned, or any other services that you may need as a business or as an organization, feel free to reach out to me directly, personally, or to my co-principal, Simon Gishero, or any other expert here at Sandbox. At Sandbox, we give the best. We give you attention as an individual, as an organization, or as a group of organizations to ensure that you're able to meet your objectives, your mission, your vision in the most efficient and effective way. So, karibu sana Sandbox.